And today we are going to be making a new entry. Today, at the open of a new week, we are going to be making a new entry. So how do we go about it? We are currently on a 4-hour time frame, and I'm going to be zooming in and also zooming out for us to get a better look of the market. So there hasn't been any breakout of this range, because if you watch, look at the chart, you see there's a very strong resistance or very strong support at these 65,000 to $66,000 range. So we made an entry last week, to which profit was made. We made an entry at around 66,000, and we took profit at take profit one was around 67,500, and at around 69,800 last week for take profit two. So I've been anticipating and waiting for the market, because we are currently on a wait for the market to drop. If there is a breakout of this structure, we expect the market to move to an upward trend. But if these support zone don't hold fine, I mean support zone of wait, let me draw a line so you can see what I'm doing very well. If this this is what I'm talking about. This is the support line I'm talking about. Hold on. This is the support line I'm talking about. You see, from this face to this, there is a very strong support level at 66 down to 61, 60 at 66 down to down to 65,000, to which the market has already touched a $65,000 range, and then it jumped up over to 66,000. So to my own suggestion, I will be expecting the market to continue a downward trend, and the next support line will be at around 60 hold on will be at around 60,000. That's within the range of 62,000 to a maximum of 60,000 USD. Then the closer range will be around 56,000, 57,000 mark. So these are the three support areas we will be making expectations on. So I'm going to draw this. hope you're seeing what I'm doing. So come over. This is the list. So this is the list. The support 3. Let me put it that way. And this is the support 2. This is the support 2. So this is it. So what am I trying to say? All I'm trying to say is if there is a downward breakout of this support line, of this support mark of 65,000, which it has tested the first one. If you're watching, you will notice that BTC price has currently tested, was it yesterday? It tested 65,000, right? So if the market should go this way, hold on, I'm so sorry. For now I'm using a cell phone for now. Let's use this. If the market should go this way, no. So since it has gone up, we're expecting a break towards the downward mark. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. So our entry level will be at this point. This is what I expect the market to do. So I'm very used to trading long position. I'm very, very used to trading long position. So I'm expecting the market to take a fall to the lower side. Once it breaks past this support level of 65,000, and then for those who trade short, actually could make an entry level above the current price, a bit above the current price now, which is at 66,553, and then an exit or a take profit within the range of 62,000 to 61,000 USD, right? So for my fellas that love trading long position, could actually wait for this structure to break towards the downward side, and then we can mark our entry position at this. Would be our entry position. So my next long will be around this, which I'm waiting for the market to do. My next entry position will be around 60,000, 60,700. Yeah. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. This is my next this would be our entry position. once the market goes according to or to our benefit. So this will be the next entry long position. So my stop loss is below, it's set below this the $58,000 mark. My entry position is at 60,000. My awaiting entry position is at 60,000, and then my take profit should be a bit above the current position now, which is at around 67,000 USD. Now there is something I want to teach you. Okay, I want you to understand something. You see, there is a way to trade futures once you have enough liquidity. Most times, I personally, I don't use stop loss. So it depends on the leverage you're taking on. If the leverage is okay, the leverage determines the amount of liquidity you need to hold a particular position. My own structure or my own pattern of trading is very risky. It's quite risky. Okay, to be honest with you, it's really quite risky. And but I just enjoy the risk. That is just the truth. I enjoy the risk compared to chickening out. And at the end of the day, you see market sometimes we just do via come down a bit, touch your stop loss. The bigger boys will drain your stop loss, make sure they take your money, and then boom, push the market to an upward an upward range, which is always very funny and awkward. And you won't blame them. After all, it's all about business. So let's go into a smaller time frame to see we what we've done. This is what we've done. Okay, on a 1 hour trend, this is it. And then on a 30, or should I say 15 minutes range, I don't trade. I told you I'm a long time trader. I don't trade a 15 minutes time frame, 10 minute time. No, I don't scalp. That's called scalping. I'm not a scalper. I don't scalp. I don't like scalping. We all have our own level of professionalism. Let me put it that way. Scalpers, they are always 247 on the system doing their thing, while we weekly or day traders, we analyze the market based on market sentiments, fundamental analysis, and then the technical analysis. That's the chart, the news, and sentiment for a long time profitability. So this is it. All right. So let's go over to conclusion. If you ask me, I will say most times it's more beneficial to DCA into the market. This is what I call DCA into the market. This is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. Excuse me. Excuse me. This is what I'm talking about. So I make entry. The first entry position will be drawn at a very close range, and then the second entry position will be drawn at over the liquidation point of the previous range. So if there is an early entry on the first position, you see, and then there is a boom in price, I take profit instantly, and then wait for
Once I'm out on that trade, then I wait for the second one to swipe in, or I restructure instantly and put in the first range as I have done earlier on. So what I'm saying, for instance, if I'm done with analysis and I make my first entry at 64,000 USD, and then the market moves as planned, and instead of touching the second entry, which could be at 60,000, it goes up to the market then goes up to 67,000 before coming down to the 60,000 range. What I do is I take profit at that 67,000, and as well as wait for the market to go come down and hit my second position, which I have entered already. So thank you very, very much for watching. I hope to see you on the next video.
So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do well to like, subscribe, and as well turn on the notification bell so you can get a message whenever we drop the next video. So also there are links to other channels of mine. You could do well to join our Telegram general community where we talk about trading and so many other opportunities in the crypto space. Also, there is also a WhatsApp community for those of us within the reach, within our local vicinity. You could also join. We also drop free tips there for you to make entry